Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best semi-automatic welding machine on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Hitbox HIM 250 semi-automatic welding machine and why it's a smart choice for professionals and serious DIY welders. Let's get started. Product features: high integration MCU control. Advanced MCU technology ensures stable arc performance and precise control, delivering consistent, clean welds with fewer errors across different materials and conditions. Aluminum MIG with double pulse. Double pulse MIG technology allows smooth, strong aluminum welds with excellent bead appearance, making complex aluminum jobs easier and more professional. Professional-grade welding performance. Designed for demanding tasks, this machine delivers reliable power and efficiency suitable for workshops, garages, and industrial applications. Premium cooling fan system. High-quality fan design prevents overheating during long welding sessions, extending machine life and maintaining stable performance under heavy workloads. Durable and rugged build. Engineered with robust materials to withstand harsh working environments, ensuring long-term reliability and daily professional use. 4.3-inch high-clear LED display. Bright LED screen offers excellent visibility indoors and outdoors, allowing quick setting adjustments and accurate monitoring at a glance. Smooth wire feeding system. High-quality wire feeder ensures steady wire delivery, reducing spatter and interruptions while maintaining consistent arc stability. User-friendly operation. Intuitive controls and clear display make this welder suitable for both experienced professionals and skilled beginners. Pros: excellent aluminum welding with double pulse, stable and precise welding output. Clear LED display for outdoor use, strong cooling and durability, smooth and reliable wire feeding. Cons: slightly heavier than basic models, advanced features may exceed beginner needs. Final thoughts: the Hitbox HIM 250 semi-automatic welding machine combines advanced technology, durability, and professional-grade performance in one powerful package. If you need clean aluminum welds, stable control, and long-term reliability, this machine is a solid investment for serious welding tasks. Power, precision, and performance. This welder delivers it all. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Product and like this video for more amazing tech content.